Here I am with all my broken pieces, all the scars that no one else can see. I'm tired of trying to hide the pain inside me, Lord. I'm bringing every part of me. You're the physician of the broken hearted. You finish every work that you have started. Jesus, touch me now and heal my soul. Make me new and make the broken whole. By your stripes, the healing power flows. Where you lead, my heavy spirit goes. Oh, Jesus, heal my soul tonight. Speak the word and let the darkness vanish. Pour your oil and wash away my fears. In your presence, every shadow's banished. You're the one who wipes away my tears. Jesus, touch me now and heal my soul. Make me new and make the broken whole. By your stripes, the healing power flows. Where you lead, my heavy spirit goes. Oh, Jesus, heal my soul tonight. There is healing in your ways. There is life in everything you bring. Jehovah Rapha, my restorer. Jehovah Rapha, my deliverer. I am healed. I am whole. I am yours. Jesus, touch me now and heal my soul. Make me new and make the broken whole. By your stripes, the healing power flows. Where you lead, my heavy spirit goes. Restoring me, renewing me, Jesus.